too bad. You know what it is. It's a day. We fix these and I'll be real quick. Got that white on.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Hello? No, I can't find it. Type shit. Achoo! Alright.
So man, I just recently got fired from Taco Bell. See what it is. You're a victim. What the hell?
Guys, we out here. We out here, man. It's 30, put them in the coffee. Out here with my dogs, man. See ya. Yeah, we trying to find out where some shit.
Bro, tweaking out.
Bro, this nigga just ran my foot over for his ass tweak.
What the hell? Hey!
Yo, they just do all that yarn over there, bro. They still over there, bro. Look, look. Y'all can't see them, but they all the way over there. They looking for us. We just do all that yarn on their ass. Now, why'd you run? Why you run? Why you run? Why you run?
Cause our favorite face because we see, man, we gonna get them boys.
The fuck this thing?
Bro, you can't be, bro, you can't be, see, man, we gonna get they, we gonna get them, man.
Yeah, we doing a, what's it called? Spray prank bottle, man. You know what's to it, man.
Yeah, we gonna go
Got
up
the
on
spray
them.
bottle right there.
Oh, bro.
Y'all,
Hey,
what's to it, man? Yeah.
None of that. This is a YouTube.
We don't condone violence.
But, we gonna catch y'all when we find somebody. We out.
Yes, sir!
Oh, this bitch is Jeep. Oh, the bitch. Doing this Jeep. Oh, full gray.
With that Jeep wagon looking like shit.
G-Wagon.
You got that J-Wagon. Look at his ass.
Because I'm a drip.
You got drip.
See this?
Oh, let's.
See this?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I'm a drip.
oh. You got drip? You got the drip.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I said I am a drip.
Oh,
Nah,
no.
all right, man. Have a good. Bro.
Shit.
Huh? You okay, man? Bro, what's going on, man? Bro. What the hell? I'm playing, bro.
Hey.
They don't jump about. All right. Look, guys, we changing the video up because this lame ass lost the spray bottle. Look, man, it ain't my fault, bro. Aggressively vaping in people's faces.
That shit smell
And
good,
plus,
bro.
come here. What we got on us?
We
We sneaking that. We sneaking that in somebody's purse or pocket and recording when they walk out. We gone, you guys. Thank y'all for subscribing.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Why do it?
literally
Right?
flicked
She
me
just
off.
literally just flicked us off. So like,
you recording? Why you keep shaking the camera?
I'm just gonna ask that you guys leave for the night. Honestly, I did witness you guys literally
need a
throwing a
hug.
basketball off the wall.
That's only
and
one
now we're
thing.
getting reports of you guys blowing smoke in people's faces.
Alright,
so I'm
go.
just asking that you guys leave for the
We
night.
don't even
You're more than
smoke.
welcome to come back another night.
Sorry about
But just tonight we're just gonna ask
My
that you
bro
guys.
said
We
get your
don't know.
number.
If there's anything that you guys like want to buy or anything like that, we can help you with that, and we can walk you guys up to the check lanes. But otherwise, we're just gonna ask that you guys just head out. for the night.
So you talking about buying it for us?
No, but I'd help you pick something out and take you up to the check lane.
Alright.
Otherwise, I think it's just time for you to
Alright,
head
come
out
on,
for the
come
night.
on, we go.
God damn it.
It's all good,
Sorry.
guys.
Have
We're
a good
just
night,
trying to
guys.
keep
We're
the
back.
good
Yeah,
work.
Hey, bro, they fucking kicked us out again. Come on, come on.
God damn, man.
Look, come on, come on. They talking about, come on. They talking about we threw blue smoke in their face, and she not. Look, bro. They kicking us out again, man. What's up, y'all boys? It's Kozark Comp here. It's 2 bands, man. You know what it is, man. And y'all know we had to drop this another banger for y'all.
Another banger down
We
below,
promised
man.
y'all a bunch of bangers, but
All that shit.
it been a little gap in between our uploads, you feel me? But we gonna be back uploading once a week. We just got this little story to tell y'all. So on the way leaving this video from Target, somebody ran into me while I was driving my mom's car. So we got in a bad accident shit. We gotta go to the hospital and shit, but we back now. We good now, you feel me? And thank y'all for all the support. Everybody that watched the videos, everybody that subscribed. Keep smashing that subscribe button. You know, refer my page along to a friend. We've been grinding. We doing this, all right? It ugly. All right, y'all boys. Kozart out.
You know it's 2 and 2 bands out.
Bro, this dude on the swing, bro. Get off the swing, nigga. We in the hood. You know where we at right now. Get off the swing, nigga.
Hey man, it's 2 bands. You know who it is, man.
It's Kozart Compare, man.
I used to run round naked chasing pigeons. Get home, orange squash television. Never got it that I grew up being British. James Bond's next mission, the Queen gets my digits. Doing drugs not enough, so I quit it. Text my old school friends, let me hit it. Says she down, so I'm cooking in the kitchen. Exams think I'll miss it, I fucked my revision.